Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So it's early October and it's pretty much the end of the zinnia season, at least for me. Although the zinnias are looking good, but I want to go ahead and take the zinnias out. As you can see, I want to do a chop and drop with them. I'll save the seeds. I'll save the flowers, which I'll dry up and get seeds from the flowers, and the leaves and the stems I'll chop and drop in this bed just to make some more organic matter. I've already done that on the zinnias, but on this side. So I'll go around, chopped and dropped those. So I need to go ahead and do the rest of these zinnias. As you can see, these are the flowers that I'm saving. I'm saving the flowers for next season. So just a quick view of how they're looking like. If you saw in a previous video, these are supposed to be dwarf Thumbelina zinnias, but what grew was not dwarf zinnias. And most of these, this is probably just one. See how they've flopped over. I think the tallest one was almost 3.5 feet, maybe 4 feet. So they're not many zinnias. It's just that they flopped over, and the lateral shoots produced more flowers. So that's that side. Like this is one. This was literally from one plant. This, but the way it's flopped over, you can see it created all these side shoots and lateral shoots, which created all these flowers. Anyway, it's the end of their season. I think I'll go ahead and do a chop and drop, save the flowers, and get this garden bed ready for the fall season. So okay. So even though I'm saving these seeds, they're way too many than what I'll ever need. So I won't save all the flowers. I'll just do at least all the different varieties. And if the ones that I leave in the bed, if they start growing, that's fine. We'll just have zinnias for the fall and winter garden. But this is already way too much, and I'm not even halfway done with the zinnias, with the chop and drop. Look at all this. This had some big flowers. So I have a mulcher that I could run these zinnias through the mulcher to chop them even finer, finer than what I'm doing, but this is fine. I don't have too many to do, and I just don't feel like hooking up the mulcher. But if you had something like that, you could also use it to chop up your plants. So like I said, this was one, literally this whole bush here was one plant, and this is what we got out of it. For the roots, I'll just pull them up a little bit to loosen it up, and hopefully they will rot in the soil in the next few. It might take time because the roots are now pretty deep. Not deep, but wide. So it might take some time before they break down all the way, but they'll eventually break down. So the other reason why I actually took time before I took down the zinnias was I planted some new shrubs and some new flowers in this bed a few weeks ago, and I wanted to use the zinnias to give the new plants cover. For example, there's a snapdragon here. There's a Duranta gold right there. The height of the zinnias was giving them a little bit of cover from the high heat that we've had. So now I think it's safe to go ahead and take the zinnias out, and the new plants can establish on their, they can now establish on their own. And I don't know if you can see, but some of the zinnias already, they self-seeded. So we have a few new plants that are already growing. We'll let them be. They won't survive the winter, but we'll just let them do whatever it is that they want to do. But that's why I'm not worried about the flowers drying up and self-seeding. It will be fine. So like this. So we are done with this area right here. I'll go ahead and do the rest, and then come back and show you how the bed looks like once everything has been chopped up. Okay, so we are done. All the zinnias have been chopped and dropped. As you can see, there was one here. There was another one there. There was a big one right here. See the roots. The stems and the leaves will act as mulch for the next few months for this bed. And that should save me from mulching for the fall season. There were 2 or 3 big ones in this area, and now you can see it was hiding a rose. It was also hiding some mums. There's a snapdragon right here, which was underneath that zinnia. There's some mihoras here, which you can now see. Another rose. This was completely covered. There are some abelias as well. This mum can now get full sun. So, and these are the flowers that I saved. So I picked different kinds. It's too bright. Let's move a little bit to the shade so we can see the flowers. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, so these are the flowers that we saved. There are some double petals, some singles, different colors. So some of these are already dry. I collected those as well. They are drying up. So this will be quite a number of zinnia seeds. This is quite a lot. So when they dry up, one zinnia flower gives what? I think a few hundred seeds. So you can see the seeds. These are the seeds. And they're all underneath. So like this is one seed. There we go. Out of this. Yeah, so we have quite a number of zinnias that will seeds that will be able to grow for the coming seasons. So I'll dry these out. Let's actually go ahead and start on that one. I'll be right back. So I'll dry them on these trays. These plant trays. Give them a single layer. Okay, I'll put them on this chair for the day. I just need to remember to come and take them out at the end of the day so that they don't spend the night out here. But that's it for today. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.